So I've got 5 reasons you should consider a career selling life insurance products like Final Expense, Mortgage Protection, or Index Universal Life. My name is David Duford. I own Duford Insurance Group. We recruit insurance agents who are brand new licensed or experienced, who value mentorship and want to learn how to sell what we call Final Expense in person or remotely over the phone. And we actually back our system up and our relationship with our agents so they make money guarantee. If you'd like to find out more about how that works, head over to davidduford.com/FAQ for more information. So let's get to the 5 reasons to consider a career selling life insurance. Number 1, the insurance financial services business has the highest percentage of millionaires. I've seen this for years, reported by all sorts of people who are actively recruiting agents. And there is a lot of money in any sort of financial service type profession, whether that's managing money or insurance sales. And that can be either selling insurance. I've seen agents who are making $500,000 or more just simply put by selling insurance products, even something as simple as Final Expense or life insurance. And you could do it as an agency as well by duplicating yourself, recruiting others to join your agency and scaling your income that way, like I did with my company, Duford Insurance Group. The point is there's a lot of money in this business. People need help with their financial decisions when it comes to insurance questions. They still appreciate people to come in and help them out in person or over the phone. It's something that isn't and hasn't been outsourced, and I don't think will be outsourced to automated processes or to totally a humanless sales process. So I think this is why there's so many millionaires in it, is because of the desire and the need for it. Number 2, unparalleled lifestyle potential. So in a matter of approximately 10 years, I gained a 1% income, top 1% income through the process of selling insurance and then eventually scaling into an insurance agency. But not only did I get a high income, I also have the ability to have this wonderful lifestyle. So in the last couple of years before I hired employees, I did all this on my own, again, very systematically, of course. But I could walk away from my business for a couple of weeks, go on vacations. I wasn't demanded, 80 plus hours a week traveling anywhere. I'm able to work out of my home and build my business virtually that way. And there's very few people in my peer group that's even come close to accomplishing something like what I have done. And granted, it definitely doesn't happen overnight. It is something you have to rigorously pursue for year over year on end. It is something that is pretty incredible, is that you can have the money as well as the lifestyle that comes from it. Number 3, and this is great too, because this is not always the case when you're selling something. There's a lot of products out there that you sell that's just another consumption good that nobody really truly cares about. It doesn't really have a big impact on the client's life. But life insurance is absolutely something that makes a huge difference in the lives of the survivors of the people who are insured. And you will see this after you get started. You don't see it in the beginning, but 6 or 12 months in, many times if you've been consistently writing business, meaning closing deals, one of your clients is going to die. And then you get to see the life insurance policy come to life and fund something, their funeral, their replacement income, in a way that you never really imagined would have had that big of an impact. And so that's really what's cool about this business and life insurance, is we're making a difference. You can feel good when you go into people's homes or sell them over the phone that you're just not hustling some garbage. You're helping them with something that's going to make a difference to the people they absolutely love and care about. And I think when it comes to sales, that's so important. We're not just pushing some paper or trying to force somebody to buy something they don't need. This is good stuff that we're selling. And you should feel proud about yourself because you're really doing these people a favor and helping them out tremendously. Number 4, and this is cool about life insurance sales too, is there are multiple career arcs that you can take in life insurance. So for example, at Duford Insurance Group, my company, we start agents on a life insurance product called Final Expense. It is a product, if you run correctly and for long enough, you should be making a 6-figure income. It is very possible with many agents doing that. But what's cool is you can take it to the next level too. You can scale into agency building to teach others how to sell Final Expense and scale by producing or multiplying yourself and making a cut of each of those sales. Or if you don't want to get into that, you can offer other products like Medicare. That is a passive lifetime income producing product. And so in that way, scale yourself up to other products that provide different streams of income to maximize not only the amount of income you make, but the passivity level of it too. That's exciting as well. So there's a lot of different ways you can go in the insurance business. It's not just like one process. There's a big opportunity in a multiple different ways, and you'll kind of figure out where you want to go as you get into the business and experience different things. And last but not least, and there's many other benefits to this business, but this is the few that I thought of really quickly, is that there's no cold calling required. You can cold call in insurance sales for sure, selling life insurance, but what many of us do in life insurance is we purchase leads or we do seminars, but most of us are buying some kind of lead that have expressed interest in the life insurance product we're talking about. This is not like a lot of other professional sales where you got to grind out and do 300 to 500 cold calls a day. Not throwing shade at that, but a lot of people don't want to do that. It's just emotionally exhausting, and it takes a very long time to find prospects. But with a paid lead strategy like what we do, many of us do in life insurance, we have people raising their hands, expressing interest right away. And it cuts down on that prospecting process. It lowers the mental stress. And that means, I think, a higher level of longevity and a higher level of success in writing business, covering costs, and profiting. So those are just 5 simple reasons why I think life insurance is a career to be in, not just for today, but for the long haul. And again, check out daviddeford.com if you're interested in life insurance sales. That is our specialty, specifically in the final expense niche. It is the best place for new and aspiring agents to start for a number of reasons. When you go there, you can see exactly why that's the case. Our focus is in mentorship. We're kind of old school in that we really care about training our agents to be as successful as possible. We teach agents to sell in person, over the phone. We even have free lead programs available for agents that don't want to buy leads. Again, daviddeford.com for more information. Thanks for watching.